So what is a psychological assessment? My name is Alex, and I'm a second-year doctoral student at the Chicago School of Professional Psychology at Irvine, and here I function as an assessment trainee. We are at the Norooz Community Mental Health Clinic, which is a nonprofit community health clinic that offers low-cost assessments as well as therapy services for anybody, really, who wants assessment. So a question we get pretty often is, what exactly is a psychological assessment? So a psychological assessment is actually part of a bigger picture that we call psychological evaluation. Psychological assessment is the portion of it that involves a clinical interview where you will come in, meet one of the assessors that you're assigned to, and you answer some questions about yourself. This helps us get to know you better as an individual. The other portion to that is psychological testing. So psychological testing is basically where we give you a bunch of different assessments and tests where they've all been standardized and normed on people just like you and I. This allows us to compare your unique responses and data to a group that has been kind of gone through the process before so that we know what a clinical level of interpretation is. As far as assessment goes, that could also include collateral information. Some of the testing, we might ask a spouse, teacher if you're an adolescent, your parents to answer some questions too, and that's what we call collateral information. We might also, if you're currently in treatment with a therapist, we might ask you to sign a consent form for release of information so that we can get some more information about you from your therapist. And this whole assessment process kind of helps us so that when the testing is all done and we get your raw data, which is just a bunch of scores on paper, we can make those data be meaningful for you, for who you are as an individual. And if you'd like to learn more about psychological assessment, click here.